Application here pretty much rate your attractiveness. I'm going to show you how to use it to much know your attractiveness. Stay tuned. Let's get into here. This is the home screen of the application. You can as well scan your face and it will give you ratings or recommendation how to improve your looks and so forth. Nothing much. So as you can see here, all you got to do is just tap on the begin scan option there and we'll start scanning your face. So if you have scanned your face already, it also will give you a glow up routine so you can get a better, I don't know what to say, a better look for your face. Let's say that, guys. So you have the coaching section and you can ask anything pretty much like AI option, but you will need to get a subscription. So this is their subscription. The price is pretty much $4 per week, and you'll be unlocking everything as it relates to the application. Level up your attractiveness using the application, workout routine, your skincare routine. They'll be giving you everything based on your face and based on how you look. So they pretty much will be improving that for you. As you can see here, how to, whatever the case this is, and sharpen your jawline and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If you do find this application helpful, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.